This is We Wish You a Merry Christmas as a piano accompanist. So we'll be playing the chord in your right hand. You start on a G chord. We do it like that, B, D, and G on the top. We wish you a Merry Christmas. There's a root position C chord there, C, E, G. Christmas, we wish you. There's an A7 chord. A, C sharp, E, and G. Wish you a Merry Christmas. There's a D chord, A, D, F sharp. We wish you. There's a B7, A, B, D sharp, F sharp. Wish you a Merry Christmas. There's an E minor, B, E, G. Christmas and a happy. There's an A minor, root position there, A, C, E, happy new. There's D7 on the third beat, A, C, D, and F sharp. New Year. Back to your G chord, B, D, G. The tidings we bring. There's a D chord, A, D, F sharp. To you, E minor, B, E, G. New and your, A, C sharp, E, and then a D, A, D, F sharp. And if you put the D7, you add in this C note on the third beat there. Glad tidings. There's your G chord again, G, B, D. Excuse me, a B, D, G. Tidings for Christmas and a happy. There's a C chord reposition, C, E, G. Happy New. There's D7, A, C, D, F sharp. New. Back to the G chord on year. We wish you, stand the G, wish you a Merry Christmas. There's a C chord. We wish you A7, A, C sharp, E, and G. Wish you a Merry Christmas. D, A, D, F sharp. We wish you B7, A, B, D sharp, and F sharp. A Merry Christmas, E minor, B, E, G on the top, and a happy A minor, A, C, E, new, D7, A, C, D, F sharp, and back to the G chord. And then once you get those chords down in your right hand, all you have to do is add the root note of the chord down low as a bass note. So when I'm playing a G chord here, I'm playing a G note down low. When I'm playing a C chord, there's my C note, and A7, I'm playing that A down low, D. Whatever the note the chord is named for, B7, I got the B. So that's how you put that together. And this is what it sounds like when you're all done. We wish you a Merry